Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Laybuy account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Laybuy application on your device and you can proceed with logging in using your credentials and change your password from the settings within. But you can also directly tap on the forgot password option. After you tap on this button, you will be asked to enter your email address. So type in the email address that you used while signing up for your account, and then click on the continue button. You will then be asked to check your inbox to find the verification code or the reset password link. So check your inbox and tap on this link, and now you will be allowed to enter your desired new password for your account. After entering this password, proceed forward with the reset button, and now your password will successfully be changed. You can now use your newly set up password along with your original email address in order to log back into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your Laybuy account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.